I can explain division as a set of objects partitioned into equal groups. Let's take a look at an example here. You have 12 cookies. If you share them equally into 3 bags, how many will go in each bag? It doesn't have to necessarily be cookies. It could be 12 of anything put into 3 bags. You could even just do this around your house. Go get 12 of something, go find 3 little bags, and then share them equally into the 3 bags, and then answer how many will go in each bag. I'm going to draw a picture up here to model how to do this. So, first we need to actually go with the 3 bags. 1, 2, 3. Easy enough. Now I have to share my 12 cookies. Well, the easiest way I can think of is just to give one at a time until I'm all out. Let's go 1, 2, 3, okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it works out perfectly where I don't have any left. I've counted to 12, and each bag has the exact same amount, so it's fair sharing. That's what division is. It's fair sharing. And I look, each bag has 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies. So when I go back to my problem, how many will go in each bag? Well, the answer is 4. And how I show that with division is like this. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Just like in multiplication, you have factors and products. In division, you have special names too. This big one is called your dividend. This one here is called your divisor. And the final one is called your quotient, your answer. Dividend, divisor, quotient. And your quotient is the answer when in this problem is how many will go in each bag. 4 cookies. Let's take a look at other things you might have. Objects. You have 24 of something. Equal group 6. Well, how many are in each group? Same deal, except now we draw 6 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's divide up those 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Again, it works out evenly. There's an equal amount in each bag. And I look at each of these 6 bags has 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. So 24 divided by 6 is going to be 4. There would be 4 in each group. 24 is your dividend, divided by 6, your divisor, equals 4, your quotient. What I'm going to ask you to do now is pause the video and try to do 12. You have 12, you have 2 equal groups. Try and draw a picture and solve that. Then hit play, and I'll solve it for you and compare, see how you did. Alright, so 12, you have 12, you have 2 equal groups. You start out by drawing your 2 equal groups, 1, 2. And now I just start counting to 12 and share them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each bag has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each bag has 6. My answer would be 6 in each group. Now let's write that division sentence. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And 12 is what we call the dividend. 2 is called the divisor. And our answer is called the quotient. Let's relate this to multiplication. You see that same number sentence written up here. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 12 is our dividend, 2 is our divisor, and 6 is our quotient. We have 2 groups. I counted to 12. There is actually 6 in each group. So now let's switch it around. 2 groups of 6. Which is 2 times 6, because groups of equals multiplication. So I replace groups of with this multiplication symbol, 2 times 6. 2 and 6 become our factors. 12 becomes our product. We go from 12 divided by 2 equals 6 is the same thing as saying 2 times 6 equals 12. Key relationship to notice here is that your product and your dividend usually change places. So there's a direct relationship. Your product is always going to be your dividend, and your dividend will always end up being your product when you switch from multiplication to division. I can explain division as a set of objects partitioned into equal groups. Here's your problem. You have 18 cookies. If you share them equally into 6 bags, how many will go into each bag? What I want you to do is to draw a picture just like we did. Write a number sentence, so it'll be like 18 divided by 6 equals what? And label your dividend, divisor, and quotient in that number sentence.